Hey guys, welcome back to another point form video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless and how it's adding eSIM support to their lineup of different offerings. So this, of course, is something new. Check it out. It is by bestmvno.com, but you can also check it on cricketwireless.com. So let's get into it, guys, and go over this article with you guys and actually see that it is truthful. We'll check that in just a little bit. It says Metro by T-Mobile, of course, has recently added eSIM support. July of this year, of course, to online and customer service activations only. Of course, now Cricket Wireless, as of August 25th, has added this feature to their lineup. So about 3 days from the making of this video. Of course, this is for iPhones only, and it has to be either in store or via customer service. It says Cricket is the first major prepaid retailer to offer in-store eSIM support. Cricket has offered eSIM activations with every iPhone purchase in the retail location and with BYOD unlocked iPhone. So if you have an unlocked iPhone, you can get the eSIM support. Of course, there's no support for Android just yet, but here's some of the devices that you could get eSIM on. Of course, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, XS Max, iPhone SE 2020, the 11 series, 12 series, 13, and of course SE 2022. So most of the phones, anything really from the XS and up, you can do it. So anything newer than that, of course, be an iPhone, you can do it. So I got a 13 Pro, it's in the 13 series, so it will be supported. It says, well, Cricket has yet to issue any formal announcement. You can check their website, and you can get some details about them and tell you how you can get the activation. So if we click on here, they'll say right here, how do you activate the eSIM? Of course, it's going to tell you compatible devices. You have to bring your phone or your BYOD to a Cricket Wireless store or contact customer service, and that's the number to activate the eSIM. So pretty easy. Of course, one question has yet to be answered. What does it mean to retail store employees? Will inclusion of eSIM support eventually lead to fewer customers coming to brick and mortar locations? I don't think so, personally. They're saying likely, not likely. Many customers still prefer personal service by a trained professional in case of any issues with reporting or activation process. That is true. I don't think brick and mortar stores will go away. Guys, our customer base, especially with older generations, need a lot of help. So if they're not technically inclined, they're going to come into the store. So I cannot see brick and mortar stores going away anytime soon. So definitely there's a big market for that, guys. You know, a lot of people, maybe the newer generation, can do this, but just, you know, people that didn't grow up with this, and there's still many millions of people, you know, I think we're good for a long time. Now, of course, there seems to be reported some bugs with Cricket employees, saying that there's issues with downloading eSIM to new purchases and even damaging the onboard firmware of the BYOD activations. So issues there. It says Cricket has taken a giant step forward for allowing eSIM activation at the retail level, putting more control in the hands of its customer while opening the doors for growth with eSIM activation via customer support, and allowing it at the store level gives customers a second option for those that prefer a more personal experience. It says, looking forward to 2023, the level of competition between the major prepaid MVNOs may lead to a new level of empowering for customers. So pretty cool. I think this is a real nice thing. You know, if you guys don't know what eSIM is, it's basically a second SIM that you can put in your phone. So let's say you have Verizon, but you want to try out Cricket, you would activate that second SIM in your phone. If your phone has it, your phone has to have dual SIM now. So most iPhones have them if they are eSIM compatible. So like mine is. So if I want to go try out Cricket and fully not switch over, I can do this. So pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and a lot more videos coming your way. But shout out to Cricket for doing this. You know, of course, like I said, Metro did this. Now it's time for Cricket, and most likely Boost will probably do it as well. So check it out.